Okay, so picture this. You're a solopreneur, wearing all the hats, right?
Yep.
Juggling everything, hustling day and night, and being visible online
Yep.
is like having that prime real estate
Absolutely.
on a bustling city street.
Yeah.
If people can't find you, you're missing out on customers.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. With Black Friday around the corner, think of it as the biggest shopping day of the year. If your online storefront isn't attracting attention, you're leaving money on the table.
Exactly, and that's where this deep dive comes in. We're looking at Ask.Dottie's Visibility Vault. Honestly, they designed this Black Friday deal specifically for solopreneurs feeling that visibility crunch.
What's fascinating here is they've bundled resources that usually cost $397 and slashed the price down to just $37 for Black Friday. That's less than 10% of the regular price.
But let's break down why this is such a steal, especially for solopreneurs. The vault is packed with webinars and masterclasses.
Right.
But not just any webinars.
Right.
They're super practical.
Yeah.
And designed to give you a roadmap for SEO and AI-powered content.
Think about it.
Yeah.
93% of online experiences begin with a search engine. If you're not showing up in those search results,
Right.
you're invisible to a huge chunk of potential customers.
It's like setting up shop in a deserted alleyway. Instead of on Main Street, nobody's going to find you there.
Exactly.
So the Visibility Vault tackles this head-on with webinars like the From Invisible to Invincible Masterclass.
Yeah.
Ooh, love that title.
It's catchy. It promises a transformation.
Right, which gives you a step-by-step approach to getting noticed online.
I think what's really valuable for solopreneurs is that these webinars are laser focused on their needs. It's not generic SEO advice. It's tailored for people who are running their entire business on their own.
And with Black Friday and the holiday season coming up, competition is fierce. Everybody is vying for attention online. So having a solid SEO strategy is more crucial now than ever.
And one webinar that caught my eye
Yeah.
is the local SEO Masterclass.
Okay.
For solopreneurs targeting a specific geographic area,
Right.
this is gold. Imagine dominating the local search results.
Oh, yeah.
So when someone in your city searches for your type of service, you're the first one they see.
Boom. There you are.
Right there.
Right. And that translates directly to more customers walking through your virtual door.
Virtual door.
Especially during the Black Friday rush when people are actively looking to spend.
It's all about being strategically positioned to capture that Black Friday traffic and convert it into sales. And that's what the Visibility Vault seems to be equipping solopreneurs to do.
I love that.
Yeah.
Equipping them.
Giving them the tools.
The tools to succeed.
Oh, win.
Okay, but here's where it gets really exciting. Like, buckle up.
Okay, I'm ready.
The Visibility Vault also includes custom GPT tools,
Oh, nice.
which is like having a whole team of content creators
Wow.
at your fingertips for a fraction of the cost.
For solopreneurs who are already stretched thin, like you said, that time-saving aspect is huge.
It's enormous.
Imagine not having to spend hours writing blog posts or crafting social media updates because AI can handle the heavy lifting for you.
Exactly. You're not chained to your laptop.
You're free.
You're out there living your life.
Living the solopreneur dream.
There's a sales page generator in the Vault,
Oh,
which can be a game changer, especially with Black Friday deals coming up.
That's perfect timing.
Right. You can quickly create compelling sales pages that are optimized to convert visitors into paying customers.
It's about working smarter, not harder, right? And these AI tools are designed to help solopreneurs do just that. Content optimization can actually help your website rank higher in search results, which translates to more visibility and more potential customers finding you.
During that Black Friday rush,
Exactly.
the Vault also has a blog post creator, which is perfect for solopreneurs who want to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry.
Blogging can be a powerful way to attract organic traffic and build a loyal audience, but it can also be incredibly time-consuming. Having an AI tool that can generate high-quality blog content, especially one that's optimized for SEO, is a huge asset for solopreneurs.
And let's not forget about LinkedIn. It's the go-to platform for professionals. So having a strong presence there is crucial, especially if you're targeting a B2B audience. The Visibility Vault includes LinkedIn tools that can help you create attention-grabbing posts and generate engaging comments.
I think a lot of solopreneurs struggle with feeling like they have to be everywhere online all the time.
Oh, I know.
It's exhausting.
It's exhausting. It's impossible.
Yeah.
And it can lead to burnout really fast.
These tools allow you to focus your efforts strategically.
That's key.
Instead of spreading yourself thin across every platform, you can hone in on the ones that matter most for your business and use AI to amplify your presence there.
I like that, amplify your presence. Instead of just being everywhere and doing everything poorly,
Exactly.
you're focusing on what matters and doing it well. Think about the Black Friday context. People are bombarded with marketing messages during this time.
It's true.
It's so much noise. So having content that stands out, that's tailored to their needs and interests,
Right.
is key to cutting through the noise.
Absolutely. It's not just about shouting the loudest. It's about delivering value and connecting with your audience authentically.
Yes.
And these AI tools can actually help you do that
Explain that to me a little bit more. How do they help you connect authentically?
because they take care of the technical aspects of content creation, so you can focus on the heart of your message.
Oh, so it frees you up to focus on the things that really matter.
Exactly.
The things that only you can do.
Yes, the human element that AI can't replicate.
Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final thought. Imagine for a moment
Okay.
that you've implemented everything you've learned from the Visibility Vault.
All right.
Your website is ranking higher in search results.
Love it.
You're attracting more leads,
Yes.
converting them into paying clients.
Music to my ears.
You're creating high-quality content with the help of AI.
It's like magic.
And you have more time and freedom to focus on what you love.
That sounds like the dream.
It is the dream, and it's a dream that's within reach.
I love that.
The Visibility Vault provides the roadmap, the tools, the support to make it happen.
It's all right there.
Invest in yourself and your business.
It's the best investment you can make.
Unlock your full potential. Don't let this Black Friday opportunity pass you by.
This is your chance.
Secure your spot in the Visibility Vault today.
The world is waiting to see what you create.